Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about subject predicate. Subject predicate are the two parts of a sentence, a subject and a predicate. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about, while the predicate tells something about the subject. For example, Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. First of all, we have to identify verb in the sentence, that is run. And who runs on the beach every morning is Judy and her dog. So this becomes the subject. It's very easy to find out subject in the sentence. First of all, we have to identify verb in the sentence. After then, we are going to ask question to the verb. Who does the verb or what does the verb? What is done to the verb? Then we get the answer of the subject. Let's try one. We spilled popcorn on the floor. Where is the verb? Spilled is the verb. So who spilled? We. We word is the subject in the sentence. Let's do more examples. My little brother broke his finger. So first we are going to identify verb in the sentence. Broke is verb. That means who broke his finger? My little brother is the subject in the sentence. Again, we are going to identify the verb in the sentence. Asked is the verb in the sentence. So who's asked for directions? His Uncle Bob is the subject in the sentence. Who carried guns? Those soldiers. Who arrived late? Our babysitter. These are the subjects in the sentence. Then we are going to identify predicate in the sentence. The part of the sentence which contain verb is predicate in the sentence. For example, my little brother broke his finger. Broke his finger is the verb part in the sentence. My little brother broke his finger. Again, simple subject and simple predicates consists of only one noun or pronoun, and the rest of the part, the predicate, is also one only. For example, a piece of chocolate candy would taste great. The main word in the subject is the noun or the piece, and with the words. Can you find the simple subject in each sentence below? It's very easy. We are going to identify the verb in the sentence. Then we are going to find out who does the verb. My little brother, his Uncle Bob, those soldiers, our babysitter. What is simple predicates? Again, it is always the verb or verbs that links up with the subject. A piece of chocolate candy would taste great. Here only one subject and only one verb is there. My little brother broke his finger. His Uncle Bob asked for directions. Those soldiers carried guns. Our babysitter arrived late. Once again, we are revising the same thing. See, we have to find out the verb in the sentence, and then the rest of the part, broke his finger, is the predicate part in the sentence. Asked for directions is the predicate part in the sentence. Carried guns is the predicate part in the sentence. Sometimes it's compound subject. That means it's more than one noun or pronoun. A sentence may have compound subjects also. For example, team pennants, rock posters, and family photographs covered the boys' bedroom walls. First, in this sentence, we have to identify verb. Verb is covered. Action word is covered. So, who covered the boys' bedroom walls? Team pennants, rock posters, and family photographs is the subject in the sentence. Similarly, her uncle and she walked slowly through the art gallery and admired the beautiful pictures exhibited there. We have to identify verb in the sentence to find out the subject. Who walked? Her uncle and she. Who admired? Her uncle and she. That means this is the subject part in the sentence. Let's do the more compound subjects in the sentence. My little brother and my cousin. Who broke their fingers? This is the subject part in the sentence. Who asked for directions? His Uncle Bob and Aunt Belly is the subject part in the sentence. Who carried guns? Those soldiers and agents carried guns. Who arrived late? Our babysitter and her friend. My little brother and my cousin broke their fingers. Let's do the revision once again. We are finding all the subjects before we could identify the predicate. Now, a compound predicate is more than one verb relating to the same subject. That means there could be more than one predicate also in the sentence. Mother mopped and scrubbed the kitchen floor. Where is the verb part? Mopped and scrubbed is the verb part in the sentence. This is the predicate in the sentence. And who does mopping and scrubbing is the subject. Let's do. Mopped and scrubbed the kitchen floor is the predicate part in the sentence. Let's do once more. Compound predicates in the sentences. My little brother bruised and broke his finger. See, we have to identify verbs in the sentences. Bruised and broke his finger is the predicate part. Looked and asked for direction because it contains a verb part. Carried and used guns is the predicate part in the sentence. Our babysitter overslept and arrived late. Overslept and arrived late is the predicate part in the sentence because it contains the verb. The verb part in the sentence is the predicate. It could be more than one. Hope you must have understood all the predicate and subject clearly. Thank you for watching this video.